So how to reset Samsung Galaxy A16 5G? If you able to turn off your phone, then simply turn off your phone by using your power button. And if you don't able to turn off your phone, suppose you forgot your pattern or password, then volume down and press a power button, press and hold together, your phone automatically turn off. And then you need to connect your phone with a cable with your PC or laptop. Once you connect, then you can see the charging option available, but wait a couple of seconds. Once your phone start charging, then press volume up button and power button together, and once logo comes, release your hand from your power button and keep holding the volume up button, and then you can see the reboot option. From here you can reboot your system or factory reset. Select factory reset and press the power button and select factory data reset. Now your phone is resetting. To confirmation, you can do it again. Select again, factory reset and factory data reset. Now simply turn off your mobile by using this button, turn off. And now turn on your phone by pressing this power button. It's now turning on. Now you have to set up your phone again by complete the whole process. So that's it. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up and have a good day.